Remember, the video description and first comment have links to upcoming workshops and courses. Strengthening for Parkinson's. Parkinson's is a neurodegenerative disease. It's progressive, affecting motor control, causing tremors, stiffness, slow movement, and balance issues. It's caused by cell degeneration in the substantia nigra, which produces dopamine for movement control. This degeneration occurs due to various causes, reasons, and sources. Listen daily to this strengthening to regenerate neurons, reduce symptoms, and slow progression. I strengthen the midline, central, and peripheral nervous systems and brain-spine muscle connections. I eliminate all weaknesses causing tremors, stiffness, and slow movements. I strengthen brain connections, especially in the substantia nigra, which produces dopamine. I eliminate neuronal degeneration and boost brain regeneration. I optimize dopamine release to 100% potential all the time within finite limits. I connect and integrate the muscular and skeletal systems bidirectionally. I enhance brain-to-muscle and muscle-to-brain communication. I remove muscle tension and bone weakness that cause imbalance and stiffness. I improve motor coordination and the ability to move fluidly. I eliminate blockages causing clumsiness and lack of muscle control. I strengthen the connection and balance between body, mind, and spirit. I remove any disconnect causing loss of movement control and physical energy. I strengthen your body's vital energy, removing any drains or external influences weakening your nervous system. I boost cell vitality and regeneration to 100% infinite potential, all the time within finite bounds. I clear negative external influences, energies, entities, or karmic memories interfering with your spirit and body's well-being. I send these influences to other universes, dimensions, time spaces, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. I reinforce your energetic foundations. I facilitate the release of ancestral patterns linked to neurodegenerative diseases. I eliminate any inherited family tendencies for diseases, tremors, or neurological issues manifesting now. I release hidden loyalties to family with chronic illness or physical limitations. I free the body and mind from repeating these inherited patterns. I strengthen the release of this across all ancestral lines, allowing energy to flow freely now. At 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, with infinite time, I remove your deep sense of helplessness and inability to act in crucial situations. I eliminate feelings of lost control or inability to make decisions. I erase all programming that makes you feel not good, strong, or capable enough. I remove repressed impulses that stopped you from facing difficult situations. We eliminate learned helplessness. We remove fear of failure, error, and rejection. We clear blocks preventing adaptation to change. We dissolve resistance to emotional flexibility. I erase past frustration from losing control. We remove energy from unfulfilled desires or goals. I clear times when others held you back. Times you hindered others or witnessed it happening. I resolve the inner conflict of wanting yet unable to progress. I release inner tension that manifests as symptoms of this disease. I clear karmic debt tied to physical suffering, paralysis, or loss of bodily control. I strengthen karmic balance to enable a life free from these limitations and their effects. I release memories from past lives of bodily suffering, rigidity, or physical dependence. I dissolve these memories by releasing all energy sustaining them. We remove direct, indirect, and partial karmic roots causing Parkinson's symptoms. I free the body from any energetic blockages maintaining this state. I eliminate subconscious beliefs of inevitable suffering or lack of bodily control. We replace these beliefs with empowering ones that boost regeneration and physical control. I eliminate fear of aging and physical decline that may worsen symptoms of this disease. I boost confidence in your self-love and ability to regain motor control. I remove feelings of helplessness and strengthen self-reliance. I release emotions like frustration, helplessness, despair, and anxiety that trigger symptoms. I eliminate toxins, pollutants, heavy metals, and chemicals affecting your nervous system. I remove these through the lymphatic system, strengthening it for proper drainage. 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I strengthen the body's protection against external influences like electromagnetic radiation or tech energies that may disrupt neurological balance. Strengthen the alignment of body, mind, and spirit to work in harmony and effectively. Strengthen neutrality towards the Parkinson's diagnosis. I eliminate fear and resignation. Strengthen all positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative, and neutral aspects. Strengthen improving and not improving, worsening and not worsening. I reinforce internal, external dynamics, limits, and vertices of all geometric figures we work with at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time within finite time. Erase all weaknesses and their effects, removing all that hinders this erasure to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel, the same or different